Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ffwsregister Dll launch found error on Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, this due to this missing DLL. That means it has been deleted, and probably it will be like the work of your uh, firewall or defender. And basically you have two options, either to re-download it and then you will need just to download it, and basically it will start downloading, and then you can add it to the file location where you will have Filmora. So it will be somewhere here, and basically you will just copy and paste it here among all these DLLs. Otherwise, there is another option by going to your defender, to your Windows Defender or Windows Security, and then you need just to go to virus and protection, and then you will need just to choose to search for like the history, and basically in the history you will find all the problems that has been like deleted or quarantined, and basically by that. And basically, in the virus and protection history, or virus and threat protection, you will find here protection history. In my case, I'm already using antivirus, and it will be a different case. So simply, you will need just to go here, and basically, you will need just to go to periodic history, and then you will need just to search where your DLL has been removed, and then you will need just to restore it. And by restoring it, that means it will your DLL will be restored to your computer. That means it will be added again to your Filmora, and it won't be attacked again, or it won't be quarantined again. And by that, you will be able like to start using Filmora correctly and without this problem. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.